The famous safari.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so fucking scared!
Brittany, record this.
Oh my god, I'm so scared! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. What y'all really wanna nah, y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip-hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit.
Ow! Okay, hold on, let me out, and then you and Nick do it. Yeah, I'll videotape it, see? I'm way too fucking fast at this. Okay. Nick, will you help me out? Yeah. It's so great. If it was only me and Natalie, we'd be dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jump out. Okay, jump out. Go, go, go. Holy shit! Oh my god. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, they're actually doing it this time. Oh my god. Don't go in the savannah. Ah!
Oh! Yeah, get it!
Don't get on that!
Recording, it's recording!
Oh my god, a snake!
Are you fucking serious? Snakes can't bite you underwater. No, because then their mouths will get filled up with water and they don't want to do that. Oh my god. Recording! This is Nick recording.
Sorry!
What is that?
They're going through the woods.
Hit him in the head.
As you can see, those are the tops of the trees. And we're having to row our way through the city. Come on, you can do it!
You can do it.
It's not ladybugs, those are big ass snakes that are red. Yes!
Oh my god! What was it, Natalie?
A big spider this big, Doug. I'm not kidding you.
Natalie, start pumping water out of here.
Hold this row, Nick. Hold it. Hold this one. Yeah, just do it.
Seriously sinking.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, y'all are sinking. Get water out. Holy crap, they sank the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, they're trying to get water out of the boat and it's not really working.
Bring it up here and do it. Put it back up. No water.
Okay, how y'all gonna get in now?
Where are
you guys going? Natalie! Where are you going? Oh my god, no! Holy crap!
That sounds good.
After our day of kayaking, we found some...
Wait, Nick, admit that you had fun with us on this video.
Please do.
I had fun with Bailey and Natalie today.
In the kayak!
We all got poison ivy.
Yeah, pretty much.
Natalie got poison ivy in her little organ.
Yeah. Ouch.
Yeah, we, it's fun. What did we do? We had fun.
That little kid.
We're going to take the boat back.
Yeah, we're going to take the boat back now because we're done for the day, so.
Who that wanna do that, boy? I knew that you that swallow. And I be the now you got loose bows. I don't owe you like 2 vows.